everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads to Pipedrive CRM automatically. So as a business owner, when I receive lead on Instagram lead ads, I am going to automatically add them as a deal on Pipedrive CRM, enhancing sales tracking. So here my objective is, as soon as I receive a new lead on Instagram lead ads, I am going to automatically add them as a deal on Pipedrive CRM. So for making the connection between Instagram and Pipedrive CRM, I am going to use a software that is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to build this automation, then let me take you towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I will show you how you can add Instagram leads to Pipedrive CRM automatically. And we are going to do this by just using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. And in this automation, we are going to make a connection between Instagram leads ad and Pipedrive CRM by using Pabbly Connect. And here I am going to choose Instagram lead ads as my trigger app, and I have selected Pipedrive CRM as my action app. And now as soon as a new lead will be created over the Instagram lead ads, these leads will be automatically added to the Pipedrive CRM. So now let's build this automation by using Pabbly Connect. But before moving on forward, I am going to show you the real working of this automation. For that, I am going to use my Facebook account, which is connected with the Instagram. So here you can see this is my Facebook account, and I have selected this Facebook page, that is Digital Dynamics, and this account is connected with the Instagram. Now I am going to fill the lead form which is connected with this Digital Dynamic page. So for that, you just have to go to Meta for Developers, and in this Meta for Developers you will get the lead ad testing tool page. And here in this lead ad testing tool page, you can see we are getting the option for selecting the page name and the form. So here we have to fill this form for receiving the leads over our Instagram lead ads. So here it is asking me to select the page. So as I have already told you that I am going to select my page, that is Digital Dynamics, and in this Digital Dynamics page I am going to select this Digital Dynamics lead form. So just select it. Now you firstly have to delete your previous lead, as you can create only one lead per form. So now let's firstly delete our previous lead, and here you can see a lead has been deleted. Now you just have to click on this preview form button to get the form. So here you can see this is my Digital Dynamic leads form, and now I am going to fill these details. So here you can see I have filled this form. Now you just have to click on this continue button. Now we just have to click on this submit button, and our form will be submitted. Now let's move on to my Pipedrive and check whether we are receiving this lead as the deal of Pipedrive or not. So now let's move on to my Pipedrive, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the lead as my deal of the Pipedrive. So you can see our automation is successfully built. Now for building this automation, you just have to use Pabbly Connect. Now for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free. But if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about an amazing platform of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is the platform where automation users, business owners and marketers gathers to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly Community and share your workflows and ask questions. So join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly Community, you can find the link in the description given below. Now let's move on to a Pabbly Connect, and here I am going to just click over this sign in button, as I have already an account on Pabbly. And as you will finish the sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting some of the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to build the integration, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications with each other and will start automating your work. Now for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you just have to click on access now button, and as you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, and these are the workflows I have created. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own workflow from scratch. For that, you just have to click on the create workflow button. But if you want to create your own folder, you can click over this create a new folder button and create your own folder where you want to create your own workflow. Now I am going to click over this create workflow button, and as you will click on this create workflow button, you will get the option for selecting the workflow builder. So here you can see we are getting two workflow builder, that is new workflow builder, which is modern, fast and more flexible, named as beta, and another workflow builder is classic, which will provide you a stable and familiar approach. Now I am going to use my classic workflow builder. So you just have to click on this select button, and here it is asking me to enter the workflow name. So now let's provide a name to our workflow. workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name add Instagram lead ads to Pipedrive CRM. Now you can also select the folder over here, but I'm going to keep it as the same, that is home folder. Now you just have to click on this create button and you will be landed to your workflow page. And here you can see we are getting this pop-up that is workflow created successfully, and here we are redirected to a workflow page. So in this workflow page you can see it is asking me to select the trigger. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is basically the application which is going to initiate your workflow. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ads, as I want to trigger my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over the Instagram lead ads. So here you can see we are getting the option for Instagram lead ads. So just select it. Now it will ask you to enter the trigger event. So trigger event is basically the work which will initiate your workflow or trigger your workflow. So I am going to select the trigger event as new lead instant. As soon as I receive the new lead, my workflow should be triggered. Now you just have to click on this connect button for building the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Now here we are getting the option for add new connection and select existing connection. So if you want to build a new connection, you can simply click over this add new connection, and here you have to connect with Instagram lead ads. But you have to remember one point, that your Facebook account connected to Instagram should be logged in here. So you just have to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads, and here you have to select your Facebook account which is connected with Instagram, and then you just have to click on the save button. But as I have already an existing connection, I will use select existing connection over here, and my connection is already selected. Now I will just click over the save button, and my connection between Pabbly Connect and Instagram lead ads is built. Now here you can see it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. Now I have told you that I am going to use this form, that is digital dynamics. So I am going to select this page over the Pabbly Connect. So now let's select this page. So here I am getting this page that is digital dynamics. So now let's select it, and now we have to select our lead gen form. So here you have to select the form from which you want to receive the data. So I am going to select my form as digital dynamics lead form. So I am going to select, but here I am selecting only one form because I want to receive the responses from only this form. But if you want to receive the responses from your all forms, you can select all lead gen forms here. So here we are done with our page and form. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own form. For that you just have to move to your Meta Business Suite. So here you can see I have landed to my Meta Business Suite, and on this all tools you can see I am getting the option for instant forms. So just select it and you will land it to the lead ads form. So here you can see in my digital dynamics page I am having two forms, that is new form and digital dynamics lead ad form. Now if you want to create your own form, you can simply click over this create form button and create your own form. And here I have already selected my digital dynamics lead form. Now you just have to click on the save and send test request, and as you will click on this save and send test request, it will be waiting for the webhook response. Now if you want to receive the webhook response, you just have to fill the form. So for that you just have to move to your Meta for Developers page. So here you can see this is my Meta for Developers page, and in this Meta for Developers page you can see we are getting the option for resources, and in this resources we are getting the option for developer tools. So you just have to select this, and as you will select the developer tools, you will get the developer tools page, and in this developer tools page you can see we are getting the option for lead ads RTO debug tool. So here you have to select this lead ads RTO debug tool. Now as you will select your lead ads RTO debug tool, you will get this lead ads testing tool, and in this lead ad testing tool you can see it is asking me to select the page and the form. So I have told you that I am going to select my digital dynamics page, and here I am going to select my form as digital dynamics lead form. Now you just have to click on this preview form button and you will get your digital dynamics lead form. But before moving on forward towards form, you have to delete your previous lead, as you can create only one lead per form. So now let's delete our previous lead over here, and here you can see our lead has been deleted. Now you just have to click on this preview form button and you will get your form over here, and in this form I am going to fill the detail, that is first name, last name, email and phone number for receiving the response over the Pabbly Connect. So here you can see I have filled these details. Now you just have to click on this continue button, and after continue you have to click on this submit button, and your form will be submitted. So here you can see our form is submitted. Now let's move on to our Pabbly Connect and check whether we are receiving the response or not. So here you can see we are successfully receiving the response, that is response A, and in this response you can see I am receiving the first name, last name, email, phone number, which I have recently filled over my digital dynamics lead form. So here we have received the response. Now you just have to set up your action step. Now I am going to select my action app as Pipedrive, as I want to create the new deals over the Pipedrive. So here I have selected my app as Pipedrive. Now I am going to select the action event. So what action I want to perform over this action app? So I am going to create a deal. But before that I am going to create a person, as I want to fetch the details which I have filled over the Instagram lead ads. So firstly I am going to create a person over here, and after that I will create the deal. And now you just have to click on this connect button for making the connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect. And here if you want to build a new connection, you can simply click over this add new connection, and here we are getting the option for connection names. So here we are already getting a name, that is Pipedrive #5. And now here we are getting the option for pasting the API token. Now for getting the API token, you can see this help desk. So here it is saying to get the API token, log into your Pipedrive account, click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then proceed to personal preference. So now we firstly have to log in our Pipedrive account. So here you can see my Pipedrive account is already logged in, and it says that we have to go to the profile section over the top right corner. So now I have selected my profile, and after that we just have to go to personal preferences. And as I'm selecting personal preferences, I am getting the option for the API. So just select it, and here you can see we are getting our personal API token. Now you just have to copy this token and paste it over the Pabbly Connect. So here you have to paste your API token, and your connection between the Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect will be built. So here I have pasted my API token. Now you just have to click on the save button, and your connection between the Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect is built. Now as I have built in the connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, I am getting some of the fields. Now you just have to map these fields over here. So here I am going to map these fields. So you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping basically makes the field dynamic, means you don't have to enter the details again and again. The data will be automatically get replaced with the new responses. So here I am going to map my name from the response which I have received over Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to map the name, that is first name is demo, and after that I'm going to enter my last name, that is testing. So here I have mapped my name, and I am going to leave these fields, that is label and labels, blank. Now I am going to map the phone number. So here you have to map your phone number which I have provided over the form. So let's map it, and now we are getting the option for mapping the email. So I'm going to map the email also which I have provided over the form. Now I'm going to keep these fields blank over here, and now I'm going to map the first name, that is demo, and the last name, that is testing. Now you just have to click on the save and send test request button to check whether we are receiving the response or not. So here you can see our response has been received. Now I am going to add one more action step, that is for adding the deal to the Pipedrive. And as I have created a person over the Pipedrive, I can easily fetch the details of my lead. So now I am going to click over this add action step button, and here I am going to add one more action step. So here I am going to select the app as Pipedrive, and now I am going to select the action event as create deal. So here I have selected my action event. Now I am going to simply click over this connect button, and as I have already an existing connection, I will just save this connection over here. And now we are getting some of the fields. Now again we have to map the fields. So here it is asking me to enter the title. So here I am going to map my title as the name which I have received over the responses in the Instagram lead ad. So now let's map the title, that is name. So here I am going to provide the first name firstly. Now I am going to leave a space, and after that I am going to provide the last name as the title. So here you can see we are done with the title. Now let's move on further. Now further we are getting the option for creation date, which I am going to leave the blank, and the stage is qualified, and the owner is info user. And here you can see we are getting the option for organization. So I am going to select the organization as Pabbly Tunes. You can select organization based on you. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the person ID. So I am going to select the person ID from the response received from the Pipedrive, where I am creating a person. So here you can see I am receiving the ID, so I will just map it. So here I have mapped my person ID. Now I am going to leave these fields, that is probability, value, as blank. Now we are getting the option for selecting currency. So I am going to select my currency as Indian rupee. So here you can see I am getting the option, that is Indian rupee. So just select it, and our currency is changed to Indian rupee. Now I am going to leave this field, that is label, as blank, and the visible to is owner only. Now again you have to click on the save and send test request button, and here you can see we have have received this response. Now let's move on to my Pipedrive and check whether we are receiving this over the Pipedrive as a deal or not. So now let's move on to my Pipedrive over here, and now from the sidebar I am going to select the deals, and here in this deals my response has been arrived. That is the lead which I have recently created over the Instagram lead ads, that is testing user. So here our Instagram lead is successfully added as a deal over the Pipedrive CRM. So here you can see we have successfully built a connection between the Instagram lead ads and Pipedrive CRM. So you can also build automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So start using Pabbly Connect for adding Instagram leads to Pipedrive CRM, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more automations like this and learning more about Pabbly. Thank you for watching this video.
Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.